Assalamu alaikum, good evening, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. If you are new on my channel and if you haven't subscribed it yet, then you should do it right away by pressing the red subscribe button, and do not forget to click the bell icon. While clicking the bell icon, do not forget to select the all notification. This will enable you to receive all notification as soon as I upload the video. This is Dow Jones chart. Currently it is trading at 28,435, 440. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess how we can trade in US 30 Dow Jones today. Dow Jones resistance stands at 28,600. Dow Jones support at 28,200. So if you are a risky trader and you can afford to take small risk, then you can initiate a sell around 430, 440 with stop loss of 28,610 for target of 28,200 and 28,000. If you don't want to take risk, then you should wait Dow Jones or US 30 to break 28,600 or 610. After that, you can initiate a buy with stop loss of 28,400 for target of 28,800 and 29,000. Currently Dow Jones is in weak zone, so I will not recommend any buy. Risky trader can of course initiate a sell if they want with the stop loss of our resistance. Now let's move on to S&P 500. This is S&P 500 chart. Currently it is trading 3508. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess how we can trade in S&P 500 today. S&P 500 support stands at 3490. S&P 500 resistance at 3522. So if you are a risky trader and you can afford to take small risk, then you can initiate a sell around 3510 with stop loss of 3523 for target of 3491, 3470. If you don't want to take risk and you are a pretty safe trader and your risk appetite is low, then you should wait S&P 500 to break 3522. After that, you can initiate a buy with a stop loss of 3498 for target of 3540 or 3560. Currently both indices are in weak zone, so I will not recommend any buy. Risky trader can initiate sell as per the signal. Now we will have a look at Nasdaq also, because many subscribers are requesting for Nasdaq level. Let's have a look at Nasdaq, then we will see gold, crude oil, and later we will see Bitcoin. This is Nasdaq chart. It's also known as NAS 100. Currently it is trading 12,200. Interestingly, both S&P Dow Jones are in weak zone, but Nasdaq is in positive zone. Let's have a look at resistance and support. NAS 100 support stands at 12,120. Resistance at 12,300. So if you are a risky trader, then you can initiate a buy with a stop loss of 12,100 for target of 12,300. However, I will advise even risky trader to wait Nasdaq to break 12,100. After that, they can initiate a sell with stop loss of 12,320 for target of 11,900 and 11,700. Currently Dow Jones, S&P are in weak zone, Nasdaq in positive zone. So once Nasdaq break our support, then you can initiate a sell. Now let's move on to gold. This is gold chart. Currently gold is trading 1990. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess how we can trade in gold today. Currently gold support stands at 1970. Gold resistance would be 2008. These are almost the same level which I have given in morning in my Hindi video. I usually update twice in a day, one in US session which you are watching, one in Asian session. So if you want my Asian session update as well, then you can subscribe my Hindi channel. I have given link in the description. Currently gold trend is positive, so I will not recommend any sell. Now let's move on to crude oil. This is crude oil chart, currently trading 43.05. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess. crude oil resistance at 43.50, crude oil support at 42.20. Currently crude oil is trading in weak zone, so I will not recommend any buy. If you want, you can initiate a sell with stop loss of 43.50 for target of 42.30 and $41. Currently, let's revise the levels. Dow Jones in weak zone, S&P in weak zone, Nasdaq positive, gold positive, crude oil weak. Now let's move on to euro and then we will see Bitcoin. This is euro chart, currently trading almost at the same level since morning. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we can assess trend, and later we will see how we can trade in euro today. Euro support at 1930, euro resistance at 2020. Currently euro is in positive zone, so if you want, you can take a small risk, buy in dips with stop loss of 1930. However, if you don't want to take risk, then you should wait euro to break 1930. After that, you can initiate a sell with stop loss of 2020 for target of course 1850 and 1750. Currently euro is in positive zone, so I will not recommend any buy. Now let's move on to Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin hourly chart. Currently Bitcoin is trading at 11,900. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we can assess how we can trade in Bitcoin today. Bitcoin support stands at $11,680. Bitcoin resistance would be $12,100. Currently Bitcoin is trading in positive zone, so I will not recommend any sell. Risky trader can initiate a buy in dips around 880 or 850 with stop loss of 11,680 for target of 12,100, 12,300. If you don't want to take risk and you prefer a safer trade, then you should wait Bitcoin to break 11,680. Once Bitcoin break 11,680, you can initiate a sell with stop loss of 12,020 for target of 11,300, 11,000. Currently Bitcoin is in positive zone, so I will not recommend any sell. One important thing I wanted to share with you, we have a major unemployment rate data this Friday, so whatever you are trading, do not hold the position at till Friday. So if you are trading in gold, S&P or Dow Jones or anything, just square off the position before the data. That will be really beneficial for you. That's it for this video. If you have enjoyed this video, do not forget to press the like button. Like button is completely free, so do not hesitate to press that button. If you want regular update, consider subscribing it. Now I will see you again tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye.